Yo, we experiencing the same heat? Cause I ready to dead. Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful friends, beautiful sunflowers, whatever, you know. Today we're gonna be doing a Temu haul. Temu. We're focusing on my bathroom today. We're gonna be doing a little redecorating, reorganizing type of video, like, you know, the girlies do, you know. I guess I'm a reorganizing girly. I probably need to get the ice cube trays now, you know. I went with this whole little theme, but first, of course, you know, if you're not following me on social media, like, what are you waiting for? It's nice over there.
All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
So before we get into the bathroom stuff, I just have to show you some other little small things that I got from Temu. So this first one is this fan that y'all saw me using, like 10 out of 10. It has 3 speeds. And I'm sure that I paid like $3 for it. Everybody is going crazy about these Vaseline dupes. They come in a variety of flavors. I am so excited to try these. These smell amazing. I already took it out the package low-key, so don't worry about that. But speaking about lips, I heard that the girlies are into the lip oils now. Of course, I had to try it out. So this is the Skin Lip Oil. I got it on Temu as well. And I was just like, why not try it? Okay, it's not working. That's how it looks. It smells like strawberries. I believe that this is strawberry. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks on. It smells really good. Like this, it smells like that strawberry candy that we'd always get in church. Like the person would just be giving the strawberry candies out. That's what it smells like. Absolutely love it. Is this the point where I'm like the girlies that be like, wow. Oh my goodness. I feel like a star. Like, who is she? Hello. Next up on the things that we got is this speaker. Okay. It's giving a dupe for that speaker brand that I probably should know the name of. Oh, what is this? Oh no. I guess it comes with a line, but that's okay because it was only $9 and it sounds pretty good.
In the water, got you acting like this. Living every moment, no regrets. Ask me how I'm doing.
So you know, hair is a big thing. So I got these big pack of scrunchies that I'll be using for my hair and for my husband's hair. And of course, I had to get the little spray bottle to end our random accessories that we got. I got this. This is the most random thing of them all. This is what you use to like close your chips, close any bags that you need sealing. Like I tried it today and I wasn't on. I was like, yes, nice. And I think this was only like $1.99. So we into that. God bless the person who made this fan. Now we're on to the bathroom part of my Temu haul. Okay, nice. Of course, we have to be the aesthetic girlies. Okay. Have your nice little potted plant. I know it's not real, but I don't know if I could keep a real plant alive. But we're not talking about that today. But this is our plant. This is going to go by our soap. Speaking of soap, I got me a soap dispenser. She is cute. The major part of my DIY is going to be converting my liquids into this. So face wash, bath wash, shampoos. I got about 8 of these. Nice. They have gold. It's going to go with the basket that I got for it. Because we gotta know what's in the bottles, I got this roll where I can write on it. They did not sell me my white marker. I'm mad about that. But I'm going to find another marker and I'm going to write on them with this. I think it's going to be so adorable. So this is the gold thing that I was talking about. This is going to be the basket that is going to go in my shower so that I can organize my things. I am so excited. This was about $5 or so. But this is so cute. It came with instructions on how to put it up. And so all of the white things are going to go in here. Not like that. I had to get this for my toilet. they convinced me. They really convinced me. But basically, this is what you stamp in your toilet, and it's going to basically be like a little flower. Guys, it's a honeycomb. So this is the most exciting part for me. Bestie got me things. My husband legit was like, hey baby, I have a gift for you. And I was like, say less. But I honestly, like, we were playing the guessing game. He had me guessing. I was like, okay, is it a necklace? Is it earrings? Is it a speaker? Like, I was guessing everything, but I had no clue what this was gonna be until I opened it. And so now I'm gonna leave it in suspense for 2 seconds. Nice. But guys, it's my name on a sign. I'm so surprised. I have no clue where I'm gonna put it yet, but I guess you guys will see that in another video, so make sure to subscribe, you know. And also turn on post notifications because okay.
I wish that I could find a face that I would recognize and replay the memory. It's been hard. No, I wanted to stay close to God. There was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's not home with you, but I'm coming home. Sorry for being a mess. I gave my best, but was too late. It was too late. Yeah. We talk about this, can't forget. I'm seeing you in everywhere. In everywhere.
So this is what it looks like before.
Every time we
You know,
have a
very
day,
clustered, nothing put
I
together.
know that you like it, baby boy, and I miss that. Can be like we used to, like we used to. Can be like we used to, like we used to. Every time we have a day, I should've never have to feel this way, but every time I try to walk away, you come around and start to love me better.
And I pray, I believe in the better days.